We introduce VIDEE, Visual and Interactive Decomposition, Execution, Evaluation of Text Analytics with Intelligent Agents. It incorporates a three-stage workflow to help entry-level data analysts conduct text analytics. The human and agent works together to develop and implement an analytics plan, execute the pipeline, and evaluate the results. Let's walk through the interface with a usage example. Alice, a data analyst, is given the task of analyzing customer comments and discover interesting themes. She puts her goal into the input panel and click Decompose. Within seconds, the system returns with two alternative first steps: thematic analysis or sentiment analysis. She can expand each node to see more detail. She finds that thematic analysis has a lower score in complexity, and she can expand the scoring criteria to see their definitions. After some inspection, she finds the complexity scoring to be fair. She chooses thematic analysis as the next expansion node, turns on the streaming mode, and clicks Continue. In streaming mode, the system will continuously generate next steps. Meanwhile, she can take a look at the dataset in the Dataset Inspection view. The first panel shows the raw content of each document. The second panel shows the topics of the documents. She can click any node to navigate to the corresponding content. After some streaming, the tree has expanded with more steps. She can pause the stream and make sense of the results in more detail. Moreover, she can correct the scoring of individual nodes and give an explanation. The correction affects parent nodes due to backpropagation. After a few more expansions, Alice chooses a path that seems the most promising and continue to the execution stage. In the execution stage, Alice can see the plan that she has chosen. By clicking the Convert button, the system starts to generate an executable pipeline. In a few seconds, the pipeline is generated, and the system starts compiling the pipeline, which is the process of generating execution functions and parameters. After compilation, the system starts generating recommendations for evaluations as well. The pipeline starts with generating embeddings for each comment, clustering the comments, and then group the comments by clusters. Then for each cluster, conduct sentiment analysis and entity extraction. Finally, a label is generated for each cluster. Alice can click the Inspect button to look at the details, such as input-output formats and execution parameters. To start the execution, simply click the Execute button of each node. The system utilizes parallelization whenever possible to speed up the execution. When the execution is finished, a banner will appear to notify Alice. Alice can see that the embeddings are indeed generated for each user comment. Alice can also adjust the execution parameters, such as the clustering algorithm or number of clusters to generate. She continues the execution process until an evaluation node is reached, such as sentiment analysis. Alice can choose which evaluation to run and inspect the results in visualizations. If the evaluation is run on documents, the system can show the evaluation results in the topic radial chart. When Alice finally finishes the execution, she can see that the pipeline reveals three themes. Customers have positive feedback on storage expansion and photo and video storage, and negative feedback on compatibility with Galaxy devices. For evaluation, we conduct 2 quantitative experiments and a user study on participants with varying experience in text analytics. We discuss the implications of our findings for text analytics and other agentic systems. Here are the key contributions of our work. More details can be found in the paper.